learn fruits and colors. But wait, something is missing. Oh, I know, a bowl and colorful balls. Now we can start color sorting. The first ball is red. Oh, where does it go? In the dragon fruit? No, it goes into red watermelon. The next color is brown. Do you see the fruit it goes to? It's a seed from avocado, correct. Which fruit should I pick next? Oh, let's find a bowl for this pink strawberry. Which one is pink? This one? No, that's yellow. It doesn't match our pink strawberry at all. Yes, this ball is pink and it's a perfect match for our pink strawberry. Do you know this color? It's green, correct. Which fruit does it go to? Pineapple? No. Look, it's perfect for the star fruit. Next ball is a blue one. And we have to find a blueberry for it. Here, perfect. We have 3 fruits left. Let's find a bowl for the dragon fruit now. Orange? No, this doesn't fit. Here is a purple one. This fits perfectly. And the last 2 colors are easy. Yellow goes into a pineapple. And the orange ball goes into an orange. We did it! Now let's count how many balls we had in total. 1, blue blueberry. 2, pink strawberry. 3, green star fruit. 4, red watermelon. 5, yellow pineapple. 6, purple dragon fruit. 7, brown avocado. 8, orange. 8 colorful balls.
Hey everybody! Today we're gonna learn colors, fruits, and vegetables together. Peach. Durian. Goes in here. Pear. Goes right here. That's right. Strawberry. Goes right here. That's right. Up next is star fruit. Where does the star fruit go in? There or here? That's right here. Yay! Bananas. Where does it go in? Grapes. Oh, I love grapes. Which shape is for the grapes? This or this? That's right, this one. Yay! Watermelon. I love watermelon in the summer. Okay, which one? Yes, that's right. That's the shape for the watermelon. Kiwi. Where does it go in? That's right, in the oval shape. Yummy pineapple. Yes, here. Orange. It's a circle, so it goes in the circle shape. That's right. Last one. Apple. Goes right here. Good job. Now, let's learn colors with those cute worms. Okay, let's start. Yellow. Do you know this color? That's right, it's red. That's blue, a blue worm. Let's put it inside. Do you know this color? Yes, it's a green worm. Do you remember the name of this color? Yellow. Yes, that's right. That's a red worm. Which color is that? Yes, it's blue. Which color is it? Yeah, it's green. Good job. Let's learn more colors of this fishing game. Where is the yellow fish? Yes, that's right. Let's put it right here. Okay, next fish. Can you find the orange fish? This? No, that's right. This is the orange fish. Which color? Let's find the blue fish. Yes, there it is. Let's find the purple fish. Yes, there it is. It was hiding behind the green fish. This is the green fish. Okay. And last fish is pink. Yay! Thank you for helping. Now let's learn vegetables. Okay, this is a carrot. Let's put it here. Can you find the chili? Yes, this red chili. Let's put it right here. Cute mushroom. Corn. Let's create a rainbow chain out of these fruits. I'm gonna start with purple. Purple grapes. Okay, next up is green. Green pear. What else is green? Star fruit. This durian is green. Okay, put it right here. Okay, last green fruit for today. Green kiwi. Next up is yellow. Yellow bananas. Pineapple is also yellow. Put it right here, next to the bananas. The orange next. Now, red. Let's find red fruits. Red watermelon. Okay, what else is red? Red strawberries. Yum! Red apple. Okay, now last is... Do you know this fruit? Yes, it's a peach. And it's pink. Okay, we're all done. Look how long our chain is. Look, we're all done. Thank you for playing and learning with me today. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you for subscribing to our channel and liking our videos. See you next time.